Do you film some clips when you celebrate Thanksgiving and want to create a memory video? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Thanksgiving dinner memory video here in Filmora. Before we proceed, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any video in the future. First, let's go to the Split Screen tab. I'll select this one and drag it onto the first track. Here, you can feel free to use the ones that fit with your video. Now, you will see that I've prepared at the Media tab some files for this project. This time, I'll drag these ones to the preview window and adjust the position of each one accordingly. Then, let's go to the Transitions tab and search Thanksgiving. I'll use this and drag it onto the video to make our opening more attractive. Now, I'll take a picture of the preview screen by clicking here, and then the picture will be saved on the Media tab. Then, I'll drag it onto the second track and use it as a background. Then, head over to the Transitions tab again and search Dissolve. I'll use the first option and drag it onto the picture background. Now, let's go to the Effects tab and search Blur. I'll use this one and drag it onto the picture background. Then, let's double-click on it to adjust the effect on the panel setting being extended. Now, let's go to the Titles tab and search Thanksgiving. I'll use this one and drag it onto the third track. Then, let's double-click on it and you'll see the text setting being extended here. I'll click on the Advanced button to make some changes in the text. You can use your creativity and change the color, font size, and more. Once we've finished adjusting the text, let's go to the Media tab. I'll use this video and drag it onto the third track. Now, let's go to the Effects tab and search Thanksgiving. I'll use this one and drag it onto the fourth track. I'll also use this, another one, and drag it to the fifth track. You'll see that these effects give you the Thanksgiving vibe to your video, but feel free to check all the different presets the editor has. Now, go to the Titles tab once again, and search Thanksgiving. I'll use this great option and drag it onto the sixth track. Then, let's double-click on it to adjust the text settings accordingly, as we did in the previous one. Then, let's make some final details. So head over to the Transitions tab and search Thanksgiving. I'll use this one and drag it onto the third track between the first title and the picture. And that's all. Your Thanksgiving memory video is done. If you would like to recreate this, you can simply click Import Template at the bottom left of the video in Filmora Creator Academy to get the project files and replace the default media with your clips. If you would like to learn more about video editing, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated when we upload new videos in the future. Do check out other tutorials on this channel and comment below to let us know what you would like to learn next. Till next time, stay creative with Filmora.